There are a few professions that I think go hand in hand with federal contracting, and project management is one of those. If you understand how to work a project from its beginning to completion, then you understand how to work a contract through its period of performance. Today I'm going to show you why you should get your PMP, and if you already have your PMP, I'm going to show you how to get your PDUs without paying $500. It's a free way to do this. Let's talk about it. I'm a federal contracting officer with over 10 years of experience. That's over a decade of soliciting, evaluating, and awarding federal contracts. And today we're talking about the project management certification and why I think you should get it. And if you have it, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to renew your PDUs so you're not paying a random company just taking your money. Let's stay tuned. Like you, I had a strong desire to get my project management certification. But also like you, I was super nervous because so many people came to me and told me how the test was so hard, how they had failed, and how the material was so overwhelming. But that wasn't my experience at all. What I did to help prepare me, I went through a 40-hour boot camp. This allowed me to satisfy my 40 hours that the Project Management Institutes require you in order to schedule your tests. So that's the reason I signed up for it. But in this 40-hour class, it was a lot of information. Not gonna lie, a lot. I didn't feel like the smartest in the class, and the material had a lot of practice tests. I didn't do too hot on the practice tests either. I scored between a 50 and a 60 on each of the practice tests. And oftentimes I felt like everybody in the class was just understanding the material that I didn't. And it discouraged me from wanting to take the test. So after I completed the boot camp, I spent about another month studying, about 2 hours a day in my commute, just listening to the material in the audio form. I then scheduled the test, not because I felt prepared, but I just got tired of waiting. And my experience was completely different. I got into the test itself. The test is about 3 hours, I think. It's either 3 or 4 hours. And you're taking your test, and it's broken out in 60 question increments. So the first wave of tests, I take it, 60 questions, and I felt like I was in the wrong test. The test just felt super easy to me. And then I got my second piece, and same thing. Test just felt so easy. I finished the test in it was less than 2 hours when I finished the test. So again, if you have any desire to take that PMP, please do so. Don't let someone else's experience ruin your opportunity to move forward and get this certification. It's gonna help you win government contracts because you understand the process of project management. You understand how to structure your contract award and how to maneuver through the period of performance. I highly encourage you to go for your project management exam. At this point, I've had my project management certification for about almost 3 years. And as part of the requirements, you have to get 60 PDUs, professional development units, every 3 years. And I don't know if you have your certification already, but if you're on LinkedIn and you have a certification or have any mention that you have the certification, then people are in your inbox like crazy. Take this course, free 60 credit PDUs, and it's not free. They're charging $500 to $1,000 to get these 60 PDUs immediately. I'm gonna show you how to do your 60 PDUs without having to spend $500. It's a way that you probably have already done just through your work experience. So let's talk through that, and let's do that right now. So if you have your project management certification, every 3 years it requires you to get new PDUs. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that without paying a company to come and take your money, $500 to $1,000 for your 60 PDUs. This is a complete legal way, and it's a fast way to do this. And it's something that you're already doing. So the first thing you want to do is log into PMI.org. Then you're going to sign in. You're going to click your name. Then you're going to go down to certifications. Once that loads, it's going to tell you how many PDUs you've earned within that 3-year period. As you can see, I've earned my 60, and this is how I earned my 60, the legal way that I'm showing you. Then for you, you may not have your 60. So you're gonna report your PDUs right here. You're gonna go down to course or training. Here you could put anything, whatever you do on your day-to-day. Let's say for me, since I do content, I'll say provider YouTube. It's probably not gonna be there. In the course, I could say YouTube, I can say content. I'm just gonna say YouTube again. Again, these are gonna be populated. And then in the description, this is the important piece. Although it says optional, this is how you're gonna get the people in the project management to approve your PDUs through your description. So you're gonna go over to ChatGPT and you're gonna tell it whatever you do in your day-to-day. If you're a stay-at-home mom, if you're whatever you do, you project management in some sort. You're a project manager, no matter what you do. So for here, I'm gonna say, I am a content creator, or you can put in your blank. I'm a content creator. I work about 8 hours per week on videos and content. Help me write a brief description of about 500 characters or less for each of the categories. And the 3 categories that you need to fulfill is ways of working, power skill, and business acumen. So I'll put this in ChatGPT and it's going to spit it out. And it's gonna tell me each of the ones. It's gonna give me a description of each. To me, that's a bit much. So I'm gonna say, combine all of the descriptions, because I think it misunderstood me. I think it thought that I wanted a description for each for 500 characters. So I'm gonna tell it to combine all of the descriptions in less than 500 characters and tell me how many PDUs for each category. So now it's thinking. So with what I told it, it gave me a description of each, told me how many PDUs for me to put. So what I'll do, I'll just copy all of these. I'll go back over to project management. I'll put my description there from ChatGPT. I'll put my date, my period of time where I did these PDUs. And then when I claim it, I'm gonna go down to the numbers that it told me. So for ways of working, it told me 40 PDUs. So I'll put that 40 there. For Power School, it says 30. That's already 70 there. And you can taper this down if you see fit, because you only need 60. And then business acumen, it tells me that 30 for what I told it. For a total of 100. And I'll just simply agree that what I'm submitting is accurate and it's a true statement, because it is. This is what I do on my day-to-day, and I'll submit that. And for me, the turnaround was within 28 to 48 hours. A lot of times I did 3 different claims. For one instant, it was within like 30 minutes where they approved it. So it doesn't take very long. You get your PDUs and it updates right away.